Game over, yeah. Don't worry about my best right now, it's fine. Let's look at this. I'm over there? Yep. Seems I know you fell over there. Why is the slowed down version a lot more calm? Then it's fast already. Whoa. Lovely short conversation in the chat. Before she decides to do something else, I like that. I mean, like, really, don't have to stay there. I mean, like, really, nicely. I want to stay there all day and probably chat with me. Yeah, really, to do, thank goodness. Thank goodness, good friends were like that. Oh, no, please, Lisa! Don't you know I'm innocent? Still are. Oh. Let's go see Doc tomorrow, once and for all. Let's go have some pasta, lasagna, spaghetti and meatballs. Oh, yeah. Return to bases. Lift off tomorrow until I lose again, over and over again. I literally know he's wearing this. You know why I show this a little different than the Smash one? His pants were different. But in the Smash Open version, he has gray pants. Love seeing a difference of him. This is, he's wearing gray pants. For Smash Open. In the original, he wears white pants. Yeah, look at that. Mice in there. Where's a little tiny hole? Ew. Right there. Being a cat is just... Yeah, animals a lot different from human beings. Besides, animals can't stream on YouTube. They don't know how to. They're not sure how to set this on. For the dog food. What to train them to do. It might take effort to do it. Like, really. It will point its paw on to the settings, and it doesn't talk. It just helps the owner, or someone that doesn't know what streaming is. It doesn't know what live streaming is. If it's the animal. Wait, have you seen the gorilla using the computer before? Wait, are you sure? Impossible. Do I have to search it up? Pencil buddies. Do I have to search it up? I'll be silly and do this. I wonder if it's still here. No, she's back. Yes. I'll fix it up and sum it up for a bit. Music's loud. Makes you want to crack a bit. Oh wow, look at this. Oh, that's too funny. He's using the computer. This chimp is using the computer. Oh, I wonder how they even use this little technology. Really, he's having technical issues with the computer, but really, the gorilla. I wonder how he tried to fix this. Oh no. Oof. Oof. It's always my game. My favorite game. Oh my goodness. saw something, didn't look under to who it was. Really, a pet gorilla? They're wild animals. Wild animals aren't supposed to be pets. Unless they are probably rescued, something like that. You're gonna have to take them to the wildlife center and heal them before you can keep it. If it's endangered, it's best for it to be in the wild and remain its own shelter and home. Endangered animals, not pets like sea turtles. I know. Okay. Oh! I'll continue this stream. Oh, for anyone to join, you can. Especially if it's a new user. Fun to notice. It's Luigi. Gorillas are like this. Yeah, gorillas are smart. They can do anything. But if you teach them how to go on the website, oh wait. I watched some man teaching a chimp how to bake cookies. I think I watched it on. They even know how to. No, the options are like okay to be off. I know I'd like to have them here, but a normal melee battle will be okay. Items can't be here all the time. Sometimes you can say that. This is delicious. Majestic. Ooh. I gotta say this too. I ran out of luck. Ooh. He said oof again. Yeah. Maybe tell the gorilla how to use Google Docs on the worksheet that he was doing online classes for, but he can't really do it. I'm not sure. Why tell the people that he should sleep last? I have victory on this. I have victory for a reason. Victory, you can just... Oh yeah, get Mr. Punks, get him out. Bye, man. I don't know what you're doing, but look. Oh, he's gone, Simon's cat. Oh, really? Imagine a gorilla going on a Google Meet for some reason. I'll be like, oh, he's there? Did he enter his username there? Did he enter his username? Is it just him being named gorilla? Because that's the type of species? I don't know why he joined that meet, but okay. Oh, I thought so. What are you gonna do now? Throw out U.S. earthworms brought to North America by early European settlers. Looks like I'll see the earthworms every time after the rain stops. And the worms will easily die in the sun. Really. They easily die in the sun, really. They get dried up because the sun is too hot for them to survive. Poor little worms. It's hard being a worm. Or unless you're underground, this is your best safe if the sun is too hot. It's ice climbers. I haven't seen you in a while, my friend. Princess! It disappeared. Yes. What do I get in there? Well, I didn't want her to get hurt this much anymore. I lost.